Welcome to our deep dive into Tinggly, an innovative platform that offers unique experiences as gifts. Instead of purchasing physical items, you can provide your loved ones with an opportunity to create memories, from cooking classes to skydiving adventures. Tinggly collaborates with hundreds of local businesses worldwide, enabling recipients to choose an experience that suits them best, in a location and at a time that's convenient for them. Tinggly's key features make it stand out. The platform boasts experiences in more than 100 countries, making it a versatile choice for globetrotters. Each gift box comes with a 2-year validity period, giving recipients ample time to plan their adventure. Plus, Tinggly encourages sustainability by offsetting CO2 emissions of the experiences and removing 11 lbs of plastic for every gift box sold. It's a gift that not only brings joy, but also contributes to a healthier planet. Tinkley's pricing model is straightforward. You pay for the gift box, which ranges from $79 to $299, depending on the tier of experiences included. This one-time payment includes the cost of the experience itself, enabling the recipient to enjoy their chosen adventure without any additional charges. While the pricing may seem high, the value of the experiences often exceeds the cost of the box, delivering excellent value for money. Tingley is perfect for those who value experiences over material possessions. It's ideal for birthdays, anniversaries, or corporate gifts, offering a unique alternative to traditional presents. It's perfect for travel enthusiasts, adventure seekers, or anyone looking to try something new. The broad range of experiences ensures that there's something for everyone, from relaxing spa days to adrenaline-pumping bungee jumps. There are several advantages to using Tingley. It offers a unique gifting solution that's perfect for those hard to buy for people. The 2-year validity gives recipients the flexibility to use their gift when it suits them. Plus, with experiences in over 100 countries, it's perfect for those with wanderlust. And let's not forget the sustainability initiatives, making it a gift that gives back to the planet. Despite its many benefits, Tingley does have some drawbacks. The cost may be prohibitive for some, and the recipient must be willing and able to travel to their chosen experience. Additionally, while Tingley offers a wide range of experiences, it may not cover every niche interest. Lastly, although the company stresses sustainability, not all experiences offered may align with this ethos. Overall, Tingley presents an innovative gifting solution that emphasizes experiences over material goods. It's a fantastic option for the adventurous and travel inclined, with experiences available worldwide. While the pricing may be steep for some, the value of the experiences often justifies the cost. Despite some limitations, Tingley's unique approach to gifting makes it a worthwhile consideration. In summary, Tingley offers a unique, experience-based gifting solution with a focus on sustainability. It's ideal for those who value experiences over material possessions, and the wide range of options ensures there's something for everyone. While it has some limitations, the overall value and uniqueness of the service make it a compelling option for many. We want to thank you for joining us on this exploration of Tingley. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more comprehensive reviews like this one. We appreciate your support. That's a wrap on our Tingley analysis. We hope this has given you a better understanding of what Tingley offers and how it might fit into your gifting strategy. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe before you go. Until next time.